The point of this video is to help you decide should you buy a Creality Ender 3 V3 used or new. That is another question. A Creality Ender 3 V3 was supposed to be a buffer 3D printer for Creality before, I guess, Creality High, which is not really an interesting name, and even Ender name which they used for this one is also not that much inspiring. But regarding that, this printer is overall amazing. The gantry is made from one part, really high quality metal. Also the base screen is superb. There are some quirks like side oriented spool, which even like this you need to do some mods to not get filament tangling. But overall, if you look at this point of time where you can buy this printer really cheap, even if you find it used, you can get a lot. I have around 1000 print hours with this printer, and regarding of print consistency and reliability, it is amazing. Even better than my Cobra 3, which is a roller coaster. Creality High is also good, but that is another subject and also other price segment. This one you can get under 200 euros or dollars, depending where you live. So it is overall a really good bargain if you have some kind of production and you don't need a multicolor. If you want a reliable, quick 3D printer, I'm printing a PETG, only PETG with this printer. I was also printing a lot of PET filament from bottles. It is handling everything amazing. I even have original nozzle still on it, even after 1000 print hours, which is also a huge plus and tells about reliability of this 3D printer. At this point, again, I have one question which tells you, should you get it? If you are purchasing a used one, look to get the cheap possible price. If you need a 3D printer just to have one more around to get the job done, if your main printer is already doing some work. If you're buying a new one, that is already a hard question, depending on the price. If you find a heavy discount price, it is amazing to get it. But if you get that above 200 euros or dollars price, I think that it is not worth it at this point of time, especially because you can buy a Cobra 3 without Ace Pro really cheap, or even a Creality High, because you have an option to add a CFS unit. But there is always but. If you find a Creality Ender 3 V3 Plus version, that is a different beast, because it have a bigger build plate, which is bigger than this one, which is 255. I think that Plus version have 300, which gives that extra space which you can use for a variety of things. And I seen its price going really close to 200 on some heavy discounts. So if you find the Plus version, you really can get a good bargain. The major problem with this unit is that Creality did choose not to go with upgrade option. Even it is basically a K1 without the enclosure. They didn't upgrade it with upgrade pad for a CFS. With that said, you're stuck with one color, no easy filament swaps, and you really need to do these modes to have a reliable printing without filament tangling. Overall, reliable printer, amazing build quality, but with some limitations. But if you need a single color workhorse, this is it. Consider subscribing for more content like this. See ya.